Hello, good evening to all. Today I am going to solve a question on status 124. The question is swap and unite. Here the question says you are given a string which consisting of only lowercase letters. You can perform the operation. The operation is you can swap between any two characters in that string, and you have and you have to find the minimum number of operations required so that at least one character at that string should be occurs should be all its occurrence in a contiguous segment in S. If suppose I take a test case like if BA here B occur here the occurrence of all B occurs in a contiguous so the number of operation is 0, but here you can swap between B and A so that two edge occurs in a contiguous so the number of operation is 1. In third case here you can swap between A and B so that all B occurs in a contiguous so the number of operation is 1. In this case you can swap 2S with 2P so that number of S occurs in a contiguous manner. Here in this question you have given a string and the operation is you can swap between any two characters in that string. If S equal to A B A B A, so in this case you can swap between B and A so that it becomes A B B A. Here all the occurrence of B occurs in a contiguous manner so the number of operation is 1, so you have to return 1 in this case. So to find the number of operation you can, in this question you have to find out the frequency, because if the element occurs once then the output is always 0. So in this question you have to count the frequency of elements. You can create a array of size 26 from 0 to 25. Here the frequency of A, B, E to Z. You can store the frequency of A to Z in this array. Then if S equal to A B C D D C B B A, here A occurs thrice. And B occurs four times, and C occurs twice. D occurs twice. A occurs thrice. B occurs four times. D occurs 2 times. C occurs 2 times. Here you can think that you can always take number of frequency which occurs less time. You can think about this, but this will not pass all the test cases. If a test case is like this, so if a test case is like this, if A is equal to A B B B A B B B C C D D C C D D, here A occurs 4 times, B occurs 6 times, C occurs 4 times, D occurs 4 times. Here you can think if the frequencies, you have to check first lower frequency, but this can give wrong answer in some cases. If you don't check all the characters, so it can give wrong answer. So you have to check the minimum number of operation in the string. So in this question you have given a string and the operation is you can swap between any two characters in that string. If S equal to A B A B A A B B B A A B B B C C D D, here A occurs 4 times, B occurs 6 times, C occurs 4 times, D occurs 4 times. Here A occurs 4 times, B occurs 6 times, C occurs 4 times, D occurs 4 times. Here you can think if the frequencies, you have to check all the characters, so it can give wrong answer. So you have to check the minimum number of operation in in all characters. So you have to check the minimum number of operation in every case. Here a b b b a b b b c c d d c c d d. Here first, in case of a occurs 4 times, so you can think that this problem is you have to think about that this can be solved by sliding window. Sliding window, and the window size is the frequency of that particular element. Here in this string a occurs 4 times, so for a you have to check window size of 4. In this case, you two operations. In this case 3. In this case 3. In this case 2. Here the minimum for a minimum is 2. For b occurs 6 times. 3 4 5 6. For b equal to 3, then 4, then 4, then 4, then 2, here there is the 2. So you can check every case. Suppose like if we can take a small case, a b c d. A equals 2 times, b equals 2 times, c equals 2 times, d equals 2 times. For a you can check this. For a minimum, you have to update the minimum number of operation in every case. For a first window size gives 1, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 2, then 2. So in this case minimum is 1. For b, minimum first is 2, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 1, then 2, then 2. So the minimum is 1. Minimum of these 2 is also 1. In case of c, here the minimum is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 1. Here the minimum equal to 1. In case of d also you can find that minimum of all the character equal to 1. This is because d a b a b c d c. You have to organize. If you think you have to organize all a's, you have to organize all a. So you can organize all a in this, so that you can, if you have to organize a in this position, you have to swap these two elements. So you can find these minimum elements by taking first I organize 2a in this position, so that the minimum in this case minimum operation is 1, because you can swap these two. So if I solve a question using sliding window, then this will be easy for interpret and for solve also. So you have to think according to the question, that which algorithm should be I apply in this question. So let's come to the coding part. I have also write the same code which I have explained in the pen and paper. Here I take inputs and create a vector of 26 and initialize all with 0. Always 0. Then I store the frequency in that vector. in that vector. Here I stored the frequency of all the frequency of all the character in that vector. Then I take minimum as then I take minimum as integer dot max value. In every case, I take a I take a character from that array to check the minimum number of operations in for that particular character to solve to 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 arrange all the occurrence of the character in a contiguous manner. Then similarly I can check the all the characters in a string. Then I update the minimum in every case. And lastly, I am printing the minimum. Now I am going to run the code. I think this will give right answer. Yes, this gives right answer. Now I am going to submit the code. I think this will got accepted. Let's see what happened. Yes, this got accepted. Thanks everyone. This got accepted. Thanks everyone.